Hey guys, how's it going? Been a while. So, just want to do a quick little update because things are changed. If any of you are friends with me on Facebook, you'll see I got that. So a buddy of mine bought this IS-300 as a project. He's got, more important, that's way too bright. He's just got some shit going on. So, I bought it from him, helps him out a little bit with things. So what's going to happen here, there's so much more room to walk around the truck now. Because there is no truck. I'm pointing at the wall. Now I'm pointing at that, but 5.3, we're gonna put it in here. I'm gonna do the turbo 5.3 iron block in the Lexus with a 350Z CD, 370, 350, one of the two, CD 009s. Whichever one has the upgraded synchros. And I know we were gonna put it in here, but please ignore that I'm using the Yugo for storage unit. Anywho, I do like them wheels. If you've seen Shane's over at Froman Garage, if you've seen his video of the cheapest B20 swap, those are the wheels off of that wrecked Civic. I got 2 out of the 3 that were left. The third one was still on his CRX. So as soon as I give him back that LS Meshy of his back there, I'll get that wheel back. Should be soon, but I even got spacious for it to put them on. This, speaking of Shane, we're gonna put a Honda engine in here, probably a B or a K. Probably a B because it's cheaper, probably like a B16. It doesn't need as much. This car weighs nothing. So that's the project car update. Turbo LS 6-speed IS-300. Maybe turbo B series Yugo. I forgot the dash was destroyed on that. Totally forgot the dash is trashed on the Yugo. Yeah, so B16, turbo LS 5.3, not touching. All I've done is a muffler to that, and that is all that truck is going to get, because I still owe way too much. But these tires were for the, I know you guys haven't seen this, these are big, huge ass tires. See if I can find the size here for you. So I'm trying to remember, oops. Ah, there they are. 31, 18 and a half, 15s. You can tell they're a little fucked, but yeah, those for $100. There's carburetor and intake off the Chevy. Actual intake. Headers. So, probably wondering, Bill, where's the GMC? Currently being turned into scrap metal. I am selling all those parts off of it there, and the motor started to smoke out of the right side. Took it for one last cruise on Sunday, and it was smoking every time I got on the gas from sitting for more than 5 seconds. So it's done. So I got $200 for it in scrap, and then an extra $50 for the Nissan engine. The Nissan engine's also gone because everyone knows we weren't doing jack shit with that. So you can see that's why the engine hoist is available. Oh yeah, I should grab my hoodie. I was supposed to go back to work today, but the boat's not ready. So figured while I was, grabbing the parts out of there and I'd give you guys an update while I was here. But that's it. I'll throw this video together when I get back to my mom's. That's where my computer's at with the new graphics card. So, yep. The train horns, you can't maybe see over there. Maybe not. Definitely not. And behind there. Those will live on in something. Who knows what. But that's a quick little update video here. So oh, hold on. The Lexus runs and drives. The Lexus runs and drives just fine. I had to put a new battery in it. I preemptively put a new VVTi solenoid in it, but I think it needs fuel because it hasn't gotten gas put in it in like 3 or 4 months. And plugs, because that couldn't get done by my buddy. But ABS is taken out, traction's taken out. Obviously cruise doesn't work. It was getting prepped for a GTE swap, but a little hesitation at the beginning. That's what I think it needs plugs for, but it runs and drives just fine. Definitely got some exhaust leaks. It's a bit rusty. It's been in a front end wreck. If you've seen the pictures, I'll put some up on my Facebook page, but there's another little interesting spot. If you look there, it's kind of crinkled a little bit there, weirdly, but that's it for that car. Try that back up. But yeah, this is... It even smells like bad gas. It smells like really bad gas. I'm getting out of here. Holy shit. Woo. Alright, so, yeah. It's very bright. But that is a little project car update. The Lexus will not get, while I'm accumulating parts, it still runs and drives. I'll get a tag next time I'm back in town, because I don't have the ability to tag it right now. So, got a ticket a little bit ago, so paid that off, and that was the money for tagging the Lexus. So, but yep, I'll leave you guys with that, and hopefully we get a couple more videos here. I think while I'm at my mom's house not working today, I will edit that Call of Duty Modern Warfare gameplay video. Finally, the one I've done. Can't record straight from the Xbox, so I recorded from my computer. But I don't take my computer with me because I have a 2080 Super now, and fuck you if I'm taking it on the truck. I'm not having that break. So I'll see you guys in the next one.